Good morning, students. Today we will go for Standard 3 NCERT English Unit 4 Sea Song Poem. Now we will go for new words with name. S-H-E-L-L shell, a hard cover that protects egg, nuts or some animals. Shell means a hard cover. अपनी बॉडी के ऊपर या एग के ऊपर या कोई नट्स के ऊपर जो हार्ड कवर आता है, आपने वॉलनट देखा होगा, वॉलनट के ऊपर भी हार्ड कवर आता है, तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? शेल. H-E-L-E, held. It's a past participle of to hold. To keep something in a certain position. किसी भी चीज को एक तरीके से पकड़ के रखना certain position में उसे hold कहते हैं. And this is the H-E-L-E, held is a past participle of to hold. Surprise, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E, feeling or showing surprise, means किसी भी चीज को देख के एकदम आश्चर्यचकित हो जाना. Now let me tell you about this poem Sea Song. There is one boy. He went to a seashore and he found a curly shell near the sand. He was very much surprised to saw that shell, and he take the shell and took it to his home. And he showed to his mother. His mother told him to take that shell near his ear, and a very sweet song coming from the shell. They both were very surprised that the child is wishing that next time whenever I go to seashore, I can find a big shell, very much big shell again, and he wanted that from that shell I can hear a very nice song. Okay students, now we will go for our poem Unit 4 Sea Song. Now in this chapter poem we will learn about shells. Have you ever visited a seashore? And from there, have you ever collected shells? This poem is about a shell that sings. Let's go to its first paragraph. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Now the poet is telling that when I went to a seashore, I found a shell. It was curly one. मीन्स आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं वो ऐसे उस पर गोल गोल सी डिज़ाइन है और वो सैंड पे पड़ा हुआ उन्हें मिलता है. वो उसे पिक कर लेते हैं, मीन्स उठा लेते हैं और टुक इट होम और घर पे ले जाते हैं. एंड ही इज़ फीलिंग कोल्ड इनसाइड हीज हैंड्स. वो शेल उन्होंने उठाया तो उनके हाथ में ठंडा ठंडा सा महसूस होता है उन्हें. नाउ लेट्स गो टू सेकंड पैराग्राफ. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. And from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. When the poet went home, he saw that shell to his mother. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to his ears. And from that shell, a sweet, soft and clear music song coming out. आप कभी भी सुनोगे तो ऐसे पानी की तरंगे की आवाज़ आपको शल में से सुनाई देगी. थर्ड पैराग्राफ. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you would find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. The poet was feeling very surprised and he listened again and again very hardly, but it was really true. और वो विश करते हैं कि मैं अभी फिर से जब इस सीशोर पे जाऊँ तो मुझे अभी नाइस शेल मिले और वो भी सिंगिंग करता हुआ. Now here are some words. S-H-E-L-L shell, held, HELD held, SURPRISED surprised, CURLY curly, CLEAR clear. Let's go to its question answer. Where did the child find the shell? बच्चे को shell कहाँ पे मिलता है? You can see in question there is did used. Then we have to write past participle of the verb find. Then past participle will be found. FOUND found. Then only your answer will be correct. The child found the seashell on the sand. कहाँ पे मिला? On the sand. आपको क्या करना है? The child find का past participle found यूज करना है. Then add the seashell. और कहाँ पे मिला था? On the sand. You have to write. Question number 2. What did the child do with the shell? What did the child do with the shell? बच्चे ने shell के साथ क्या किया? Answer is the child took the shell to his home. बच्चे ने वो shell अपने घर पे ले गया. Question number 3. What did the child hear? What did the child hear? Again you can see did is there, then we have to write past participle of hear. It will be HEARD heard. The child heard a sweet clear song from the shell. बच्चे को क्या सुनाई देता है? A sweet clear song from the shell. Question number 4. Pick the rhyming words from this box and pair them in the space below. FOUND found, SOUND sound. FOUND found, SOUND sound. COLD cold, BOLD bold. TOOK took, LOOK look. Again I would like to repeat TOOK took, LOOK look. SAND sand, HAND hand. SAND sand, HAND hand. Fifth number MUMMY mummy, TUMMY tummy. MUMMY mummy, TUMMY tummy. Here you can see in this rhyming words the first letter of both the words are different and the remaining words letters are the same. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks with the opposite word choosing from the box below. A answer will be found, then lost, hard, soft, inside, outside, true, false, sweet, bitter, pick, drop, took. It's a past participle of take and the answer will be gave. The past participle of to give. Big, small, came, went, cold, hot, curly, straight, tall, short. Now in question 6 we have to choose the right word from the bracket. The sea is very big or far? Yes, you are correct. It's big. You cannot blank hear or see the other side. We can't hear the other side. We can see. Whatever we have to do, we can see the other side. You can or cannot cross the sea. You cannot cross the sea. Or we can write short form can't. You can cross it in a bus or ship. We can cross the sea with the ship. Question number 7. Match the phrases with the picture. A bird singing. Then we have to match with the bird's picture. A cow moving. Then we have to match with the picture of cow. A phone ringing, then we have to match with the picture of phone. A dog barking, then we have to make the arrow near the dog. a cock crowing, then we have to match with the picture of crow. Now here our chapter gets over. Listen this carefully and read the lesson properly. Thank you.